What's up, family? I want to talk to you guys about something. I'm always asked, why am I always talking about nature? Why am I always stressing the importance of getting out in nature? I've been told it's as if I worship nature. I don't worship nature. I respect nature. And I humbly acknowledge the life lessons that nature has to teach us. When you look at all the great teachers that have passed, I don't care who you put in that category. When you look at the great philosophers that have passed, they all talked about the importance of observing nature. Every one of them talked about the importance of observing nature. And yet, in our egotistical mentality, our arrogant ways, we don't think that we can learn anything from nature. Nature has nothing to teach us. To each their own. I'm not here to judge anyone. But as for me, I have over 800 books in my library. I have over 300 hours of philosophical lectures. And in all the studying I've done, I don't know it all. In all the studies I've done, I've learned a great deal. Probably the greatest lessons, the most life-changing lessons from observing nature. I live in California. California is on fire right now, literally. It's been over 100 degrees forever. There are fires almost everywhere. California is burning. And the great majority of us are looking forward to fall, looking forward to the rainy season, looking forward to the cooler temperatures. What happens in fall? The weather changes, the leaves turn colors, and they begin to fall off the trees. That's such a profound lesson in of itself. The leaves change colors and then they fall off the trees. There has to come a time in our life, family, where we realize that we have to release things that we've been holding on to that no longer serve our greatest good. It's not going to stop us from being who we are. It's going to help us become better. But we have to release the baggage that we've been carrying. It served its purpose. Now it's time to release it. Now it's time that it has to go. What baggage are you carrying that is no longer serving your greater good? What beliefs about yourself and other people are you carrying that is a detriment to your greatest good? You can continue to carry that baggage if you desire. The choice is yours. Or you can release it. So that you can make room for new and greater things in your life. You can't keep taking the old into the new. I love you.